Hi everybody, it's Coralie at the Orton Public Library. With Thanksgiving just around the corner, I thought I would do a quick craft for the kids to do at home. Pick up a craft and sit down with the kiddies and do it together. We have craft kits available. You just need to come to the library and pick them up at the front desk. Just ask for one. When you open up your kit, there's lots of little parts in there, so just be careful you don't lose anything when you open it. Okay, and this is what our finished craft is going to look like. We're making some turkeys. Turkeys for Turkey Day. All right, so the first step that you're going to need to do, you'll have some pieces of paper like this in your kit, and you'll need to cut them out just like this. And then you're going to put glue on the back of one of your head and glue that down just like so. And then we'll move on to our next step. And now we have our 3 feathers, and I think that's going to be the next part we'll put on. So we just take our turkey and we flip him over, and we'll put a little bit of glue on the back of each of our feathers. Just like so, and stick them on there good. And see, there he is with his feathers. Okay, now you will put on your eyes. Some nice Google eyes for our turkey. Then we have a beak. And then I don't know the proper name for this thing, but a turkey has this thing that hangs down from his neck and it wobbles like that. So that's what we're going to put on next. And just like so. And now we have his feet. So put his feet right on the bottom. There. And there's our finished turkey. Very easy. So I'm going to have some packages ready for everybody. Come on down to the library and pick them up. And happy Turkey Day to everybody.